Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be installing this weaponer intake I bought recently on the cheap. So it's purely just for induction noise. It's obviously not going to increase power whatsoever. It's in the engine bay around here, so it's not going to be too hot. It'll still be getting air from the guard, but pretty much all you'll need is your weaponer intake. So with the hoses, you will need to extend these, as the factory ones don't fit, so you have to extend it, get like a meter long for this side, and then the rest of the other sides are pretty much the standard hoses. So as we'll be installing this, I'll just give you a quick walk around on the car, since none of you guys really know what I've done to it so far. So I've done front strut brace and rear strut brace. I've done rear and front sway bars, white lines with links and everything. I've done, if you come over here, I've done WRX 4 pots at the front, and then I've done the 17-inch WRX rims as well. So for the exhaust system, I've done a full pseudo exhaust system. Headers, unequal length headers, pretty much straight through with one resi, and then obviously the catback, the muffler. So it's got a real nice note to it. Not too loud, but good note. But apart from that, that's pretty much about all I've done to the car. I've done a custom gauge pod, carbon fiber one with a couple gauges on it. It's a bit messy at the moment inside. Need to fix up the shift boot surrounding and all that, probably with the STI one. But apart from that, the car's pretty much stock, but not much you can do with these engine wise. So more sound and more induction noises you can get, the better. Alright, so we'll get installing into this intake. So we'll do a time lapse and me installing the intake. So I've pretty much taken off the intake, so I'm making it a fast process pretty much. So once you've stripped off the old intake, I've already pretty much pre-done it. So you'll need 2 hose clamps and a silicone joiner on the intake, and then obviously your hose clamps for the main 3 hoses for your breather hoses. So I'm pretty much straight on right here. Hose here, big hose goes here. With the clamp, we'll need a clamp for this one, and then your bottom breather hose will sit under where the pod filter is, and pretty much sits like that. And as you can see, you have your 2 holes here where your guard is, so you'll still be getting cold air rushing through here. It won't be just emitting the hot air, so it'll be still relatively cold. So guys, that's the install on the weaponer intake. Pretty simple thing to do. Like I said before, you're not going to get any power gains. It's purely just for the induction noise. Sounds great, can't complain. So sounds really good. So thanks guys for watching.